Hello. Welcome to EasyVB, Tutorial 18. In this quick video we will explain about the controls, visible property, what it is, and how it can be used. We will use our picture box application from the previous tutorial 17, for the visible property demonstration. Before we go on to explain in detail, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and even comment, in support of the channel. Thank you. Okay. So what is the control's visible property? To explain, let's look at one of the controls on our form in the Visual Studio Designer view. Click on the button, Blue Sky. Go over to the Properties menu, and scroll down to the bottom and find Visible. It will be set to the default value, which is True, and this ensures that the control is visible. Now change the default value to False. We can observe that the button, Blue Sky, remains visible. In fact, in Visual Studio Designer view, the controls will always be visible, irrespective of whether we set the visible property to True or False. But when we run the application, now we can observe that the button, Blue Sky, is no longer seen on the form. Close the application now and reset the visible property of button, Blue Sky, to True. Okay. The visible property is easy to understand, so how would we use it practically? Let's demonstrate on our picture box application. Note that, in our application, only the background image, my house, has a transparent area that allows the background sky color to be seen. So unless the background image is my house, the buttons, Blue Sky, Gray Sky, and Nighttime, have no use. We can then make them not visible, unless the background image is my house, and we can do this very easily using the control's visible property. Go to the application code and create two new user-declared subroutines. Call these Sky Buttons Visible and Sky Buttons Not Visible. In each, write the following code to set the sky color button's visible property to True or to False, as appropriate for each sub. Now go to the BTN Landscape Click event, and add a single additional line of code. If sender is BTN House, then, Sky Buttons Visible, else, Sky Buttons Not Visible. Try running the application. Now we can see that if we click on the buttons, at the beach, or, in the forest, the sky color buttons disappear. Their visible property becomes false. Whereas if we click on the button, at my house, the sky color buttons reappear. Their visible property becomes true. This is one simple example of a practical way the visible property can be used. In the next tutorial, we will explain if, then, else, and else if. We have used this through many examples already, but not yet covered it formally in a tutorial. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial was useful. If it helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.